Hi, welcome back to the Backyard Wood Shop. I'm Tom Ryder. Today I've got a fun little project. It's kind of inspired to make a weighted sharpening stone base. I really want to get a Shapton stone. That's the 16,000. I've been watching some Rob Coslin videos, imagine that. And I really liked his system. I just don't want to buy the 5-pound Shapton base that's made out of plate glass. It's like 300 bucks. I'm like, man, I wonder if I could make something like that. And so that's what this is. This is going to be an experiment for me, and I thought I'd take you along and share it with you. And if it does tend to work, which I think it's going to, then I can just buy the stone and not worry about buying that base. It'll also help protect the plate glass from getting cracked or anything, because it'll, you know, how I'll build it. So basically, right now I'm just using my 8x3 DMT stones to try this experiment. So I'm just going to swap them out as I go. You know, once I get the Shapton, I'll build that one its own base. The big weight that's in here is a brick. I just wrapped a brick in wood, basically. Works very well so far. It hasn't moved. I've also got this rubbery shelf liner material that I got it sitting on to really help hold it in place. So if you want to watch the video on me building the box, I've already cut all the pieces in the next segment, but you can watch me put it together. And then that's pretty much it. I mean, this is a very simple project for you. Works really well, gives me access all the way around. So stick around if you want to see that box get built. I'm going to show you how to walk through building this box. It's really nothing. So the bottom is the same size as the box itself, so that makes it easy to locate. Just take a couple of your pieces, put them together right here, get them as flush and square as you can. Now you can glue yours. I'm just using 1/4-inch staples, so and that'll hold it. I had one little staple come out, doesn't really matter. We're going to grab this side here. I'm going to put it over the brick so that I make sure that I've got room for my brick. I should have my measurements right, but you never know. Yeah, it seems like I do. And there we go. So those are in. So that works. Now we're just going to slip our sides in. They're a nice tight fit, which is what you want. Perfect. See how nice and tight that is? Get it really good and tight and flush. There we go. So now I can kind of get this in here. Nice. You can see it's pretty straightforward. I know this is causing the video to go a little bit longer, but and that's pretty much the brick is contained. And right now we can slip it in and out, but you really don't want your brick moving around too much. And then all we have is our top. And remember, this is just some scrap wood, so if it isn't perfectly square and all that stuff, I really don't care. I'm going to switch out for some bigger staples. These are 1.5 inches. So you've got a Milwaukee stapler like this. They're quite nice. This is the quarter-inch staples. It works really well. You can see it goes together pretty fast. And honestly, this isn't hard to do at all. You can use brad nails, screws, clamps and glue, whatever works. But you can see I've almost got my base completely done, and the time that we've been just sitting here chatting. You know, and that's it. Now I've got a weighted base. So the other thing I want to do is put that bottom on, and you can see that once I do that, it's really hard to move it. So that's a big plus there. So now we've got our old friend, the sharpening stone here, and I'm just really, it doesn't matter to me if it's dead perfectly centered and all that stuff. That's not really gonna do anything. Now we're just gonna take and put on our guides here that's gonna reference the stone. You want it kind of even, you know, just so, there we go, something like that. And so I'm just going to hold that there. Well, might have to move the stone, but you get the idea. So I'm just going to move the stone for a second. I don't know if I'll be able to, there we go. Might have just been operator related error there, huh? There we go. Yeah, I was just turning the, let's shoot 3 of those in there like so. That's perfect. There's that. We're almost built. Look at that. I mean, I'm giving it to you full live time here. Let's see here. Got our other one. Perfect. And there we go. So shoot a couple of these, shoot a couple of those. And that is it. This guy won't go anywhere. I can still take it out. I'm going to leave the rubber feet on because it doesn't hurt anything. But there we go. We built our base. Well, that's going to wrap it up for this one. Like I told you in the video, super easy to put together. Takes just maybe 10-15 minutes once you determine the size of your brick. Took me a few minutes just to nail it together just with some staples. You can do whatever techniques you want. I really like how it holds my stones. It's actually rock solid. I really like that. That 5-pound weight, I think, really helps. Lets me come all the way around the stone 360 degrees, which is really nice. You know, it just works. Man, isn't that what we want in our shop? Things that just are easy to get to and work. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. Appreciate it if you'd subscribe. And until next time, I see you in the backyard.